Hey, it's Rachel from Hope Corner Farm. By day, I'm a home ec teacher who teaches hundreds of students how to crochet, quilt, sew, and cook. And today we're going to learn how to complete the back loop half double crochet. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications for when I post new videos. So let's get going with the back loop half double crochet. So I already have a row of some stitches going on here so I can show you what a back loop half double crochet looks like. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to chain one and I'm going to turn. So I'm ready to place some back loop half double crochets. Now the back loop half double crochet is almost exactly like the regular half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over to start this stitch. So my yarn over movement looks like this. Now, instead of going into this spot for a half double crochet, for a back loop half double crochet, I'm actually going to come in from the top of my stitch and just simply pick up this back loop. So a traditional half double crochet comes in from the bottom and gets the two legs of that stitch on the hook. So for a back loop half double crochet, if you want to talk anatomy of a stitch, this is the back loop and this is the front loop. The back loop is the one that's farthest away from you. The front loop is the one that is closest to you. So again, we're going to yarn over. We're going to go down in through the top of the stitch, picking up the back loop only. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all three. So we'll move to the next stitch. Again, we yarn over. We're going to go down in through the top of the stitch, picking up only one leg, that back leg, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. So if you can do the half double crochet, you can easily complete the back loop half double crochet by simply just coming in from the top of the stitch instead of the side of the stitch and making sure you're only getting one of the loops from that stitch. So again, yarn over, down in through the top, just picking up one leg. Now here's what it looks like on the back side. Making sure you're not picking up anything else, you should just have the one leg there. If you have anything more than this, obviously you'll have three on the hook from your stitch, but if you have anything more than that right there, you're in the wrong spot. Yarn over, yarn over. So it really is just going through the top, picking up one leg, and going along. And you can see as you go along here why we like the back loop half double crochets. It just adds a nice line of texture to your crocheted projects as well. So you can kind of add some fun detail to your projects. So this would be the front of your work. And then this is what the back loop half double crochet looks from the back side. So it's that simple to complete the back loop half double crochet. I hope you guys have a blessed day.